Hello guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I hope you're hungry and ready to eat. So in today's video we are going to be making some sorrel barbecue sauce, and these are all our herbs and aromatics that we're going to be starting off. So we have two New Mexico chilies, green chilies, green pimentos, green flavor peppers, ginger, garlic, and onion. Don't worry, I will list everything down in the description with their proper measurement. So now we are going in with the star of today's show, which is sorrel or flor de Jamaica, or as some people like to call them, hibiscus. We've already washed them, taken out the seeds, and had them frozen. So everybody from the Caribbean knows that Christmas or the Christmas season is not complete without sorrel. However, not being a fan of sorrel, the sorrel drink myself, I decided that I wanted to do something a bit more creative with the plant. So keeping in tune with the same steps that you follow for making the sorrel drink, we are going to be boiling our sorrel with some clove, ginger, allspice berries, and also a few dashes of aromatic bitters. So I'm starting my sorrel off in 1 cup of water, and all the other ingredients that I just listed, and I'm allowing it to come to a boil and eventually a simmer. Basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a jam of some sort, and that is going to be the base of our barbecue sauce. So once our mixture has come to a nice thick consistency, we are going to transfer it to our blender and blend until smooth. If you have an immersion blender, then you can go ahead and use it at this stage. Just keep it in the pot and then you would continue on from there. However, I'm transferring mine out from the pot and blending it into a puree. So this is the consistency after we have blended our sorrel. If we do allow this to cool, it will become a jam. However, we're not making a jam today. So I'm adding some orange juice for the citric components, because typically you would add a bit of lime juice in your sorrel. So I'm just adding some orange juice for the citrus component. Now we are going to add our New Mexico chilies into the mixture, and we're going to blend it. And we're going to blend it until it becomes smooth before we proceed with our next step. So we're going to saute our aromatics. So we're starting off with that and allowing them to cook down and become tender, releasing some of that aroma and flavor into the oil. Now we're going to be going in with some browning because we want to add a little bit of depth to the sauce, because it is going to be extremely red because of the sorrel and its natural red pigment. So we're adding just a little bit of browning to give it a hint of a deeper color. Now we're toasting all our spices. We're going in with some paprika and allowing that to marry with our aromatics just before we add our sorrel puree, and we're going to also allow that to marry in nicely with the other flavor profile that we have already created. So once our mixture has cooked down, we're going to go in and add some ginger juicy. I know it's not very conventional, however, in substitute of bear, we're going in with some ginger juicy because one, it works very well with the flavor that we're working with, being sorrel, and it's going to caramelize as it cooks down. Then we're going to go in with some liquid smoke to just add that barbecue flavor that we know and love. And of course, to give it a little bit of extra body, we are going to be adding some ketchup. But of course, the sorrel is most definitely the base of this sauce. And of course, we're adding some sugar just to balance it off and create a flow between the flavors, actually have things marry together. And once all that has been thoroughly combined, we're going to go back to our blender once more and make sure that everything is well blended and incorporated properly to create a smooth barbecue sauce. And lastly, to tie it all together, we are just going to be adding some mustard and some vinegar, and finally some sugar, just again to bring it all into one big flavorful pot of barbecue sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys liked, what you didn't like, also some other videos that you would like to see. Thank you guys for watching. Bon appetit. Enjoy.